I gave this 10-in-1 multi-adapter a really good testing, and yeah, it performed really well. And we are going to go through some of the tests right now to show you how good this actually is. So first up, I tried it out on a USB memory stick, this little baby here. This is a USB 3.0 memory stick, and it's got 4K video on it. And I plugged it into my phone. Yeah, plugged this straight into my phone and played video straight from it, and there was no lag. It seemed to be very smooth, no issues with that whatsoever. Next, I used the same memory stick with 4 videos on it and transferred them 4 videos straight to my computer using the USB Type-C connection. Again, no issues. Network cable, I wasn't sure how fast or how slow this was going to run, but it was quite impressive. I plugged the network cable into the end and the USB Type-C connection into my PC and done a speed test, and I was very impressed with the speed. It was almost as fast as just plugging the network cable straight into your PC. I'm quite impressed. I normally get about 950 megabits and it was virtually there. Well impressed with that. Again, I plugged in the USB Type-C connection into the memory slot, and I plugged the USB Type-C connection into my computer and played video. Again, no issue. That was 4K video and it was running really smooth. Very impressed so far. And the last test I've done was plugging in the HDMI connection into this, connecting this into my phone and the HDMI connection into my monitor and playing 4K video. It worked perfectly. Also, scrolling up and down on my phone, I had no issues with that whatsoever. It just worked. Well worth the money in my opinion. If you're looking for a 10-in-1 adapter, this might be the baby for you. Definitely gets my thumbs up. So with that, hope you found this video informative, and I hope it helps you to decide whether or not it's worth buying. Thanks very much for watching.